Hello, this is Mark from Productive Computing and Productive Computing University. Thanks for joining us on this video. I'm about to demonstrate a file that extracts all kinds of information from a YouTube video using Google Gemini and the latest version of FileMaker 2026. You'll find this downloadable file in the Gemini section of a course called AI Essentials for FileMaker Developers. You can find this paid course at productivecomputinguniversity.com. For those of you who are already enrolled in this course or an active member of the Productive Computing University bundle, first, thank you, and this file is available immediately for download. This is a quick demonstration of Google's Gemini model, now fully available to integrate directly in FileMaker. Here I have a video from 7 years ago here at Productive Computing talking about FileMaker Go and text notification capability. I'm going to grab the link of this video and copy it to my clipboard. There are several things to take note of. There's a lot of screen text. There are slides. So it's a concept video more than a demo video per se. But it covers a lot of information both in what I say and what I show on the screen. Okay? Typical YouTube video for training. So what I'll do here is I'll paste that YouTube URL. And on the left side, I'm expecting a response breakdown of the information contained in that video. On the right side, I have a web viewer allowing us to see the data in a more visual way. All right, I'll click Analyze Video. Now what's happening here in the background is that it's grabbing this link, it's sending it to the Gemini model, it's asking it to search this video, and this is where the power of Gemini really eclipses the other models when it comes to stuff like this, because Google owns YouTube, which means it has more of a direct tie-in and direct access into the content of that video in a way that none of the other providers can even touch. It can essentially play the video, understand what's inside, and break it down for us. I've asked it to break it down scene by scene. I want it to capture anything it sees in terms of objects. I want it to capture anything that was on the screen visually. I also want it to capture the theme of each scene and the entire transcript scene by scene. So if this was a movie, for example, it could break down each scene, tell you what components were used, potentially even tell you the actors who are in the movie. It's just super smart. And here we are. Here's our raw data in the form of JSON. Let's see what we got here on the right. So we have 5 scenes. It knows the title, FileMaker Go Text Notifications, Alerts, and Reminders. It has a summary of the video here, along with the original link that's clickable. It knows the total minutes and seconds, 5 scenes, and 1 cast member. It's picked out some keywords here, FileMaker Mobile Development, Twilio, Alerts, and various other keywords. And then here's my scene breakdown. Scene 1. So here's the character in blue. In green, we have the computer monitor and microphone as objects it sees. Then these are the text that it sees on the screen. And then the full transcript of that scene. And then some key topics as well. Scene 2. Similar with the transcript. Scene 3 using Twilio and its transcript. Scene 4, local notifications, and Scene 5, email, enhancing notification and conclusion. So, as an example, if you have a need for a customer to catalog their online social media or training that they produce through YouTube, you can use Gemini to do that. This file is available in the AI Essentials for FileMaker Developers course. You'll find it in the Google Gemini section of the course. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. To learn more, visit us at productivecomputinguniversity.com.